Are you encountering the error check-in is not available on iMessage on your iPhone after iOS 17 update? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you some advanced solutions on how to solve check-in not available on iPhone. Let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and follow Method 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Slide down from the top, turn on airplane mode, wait for 20 seconds, and turn it back off. Method 2. Check location service settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Location Service, and ensure that your location service are turned on. Method 3. Enable check-in data for your iMessage. Open Setting, scroll down, tap iMessage, scroll down again, tap Check-in Data, set this to full. Method 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Reset network settings, but make sure this will reset all of your network-related settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset network settings again. After following these ways, hope your iMessage check-in is not available problem will be solved. Still have anything to ask? Please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.